Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use all different gestures and motions on Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Right here you should locate a Gestures tab, and here's all of them. Let's check how they work. First one is a sidebar, and if you choose to enable it, then you will see this panel on the side of your phone, and if you drag it like that, it will open a pop-up with different app icons. You can customize them with this gear icon to add or remove any icons. Let's disable it for now and move on. Next one is system navigation, and here you can choose how to navigate through your phone using gestures, so that you can go back like this, open the running apps like this, and etc. It's a bit complicated and it would require its unique video to talk about these. And the other is 3 buttons, and then you will just get these 3 buttons on the bottom to also navigate your phone. Let's move on to the one-handed mode, and if you enable it, then you can pull the notification panel to your reach when using your phone in one hand. So let's grab it like this. Leave the settings, and here notification panel should appear when I use my thumb, and I won't need to reach all the way up there. Next is put display to sleep, and if you enable it, you can double click in empty space to put your display in sleep, but I think it works only on a locked phone. Yep. So when it's wake like this, just double tap and it will lock your device again. And there's a counterpart for this mesh, for this setting, I think, I'm not sure. Jump to lock screen. Yep, so if you enable this one, then you'll be able to lock your phone, and then double tap when it's dark and it will unlock it, then double tap again to lock it. Let's move on. And we have wake display. So use gestures to wake your display up, tapping the display or moving the phone. So here, if we choose moving the phone, we can lock our device, and when we pick it up, it should wake up like this. Next one is 3-finger screenshot, and if you enable it, you can scroll down your 3 fingers from top of the screen to make a screenshot. Just like that. Sorry, I always mistaken this in Motorola phone, but in most phones you just scroll down your 3 fingers from top of the screen, but in this case just press and hold 3 fingers onto the screen to make a screenshot. Next one is swipe to split. See apps in a split screen by swiping back and forth. If you choose to enable it, then you can perform something like this, and it should split your screen in half, so you can open one app right here and another one on top. Next is double press power key, and here you can choose a function for it, so none, then nothing happens. And another one is launch camera. If you double press a power key, it should open a camera. Next is press and hold power button to enable assistant, and if you enter this setting, you can adjust press and hold duration for it. Next, media controls, so you can enable that and control media using volume buttons. So to go to the next previous track when the screen is off, press and hold volume up or down key. This feature works with the flip open and closed. And next is quick launch. Double tap back trigger to customize the actions, and when our phone is opened like that, we can double tap, let's say right here, and it should open a quick launch for any app, and you can customize its settings right here with this gear icon. So open an audio recorder, ready for play, pause music, take a screenshot, and etc. You can even open an app with that. Fast torch, and if you enable it, you can perform something like a handshake or karate chop to enable a flashlight. You can disable it the same way. Next is lift to unlock. Unlock your phone. Unlock your device by picking it up and looking at the screen. And this will work with a face unlock, and I don't want to set it up. But if you have face unlock set up, and then if you pick up your phone and the camera detects your face, it will unlock. Pick up to silence, and if you receive any phone calls and your phone is laying at the table just like that, and you pick it up, it will mute it. Last is flip for DND, and if you choose to enable it, flip your phone screen to the table, and it will mute all incoming calls. They will not be declined, they will be just muted. And that's basically all of the gestures and motions you get on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.